We use motion capture technology, the same technology that they use in making animation movies. And that technology is reflective markers are put on an operator, in our case, and then in the cameras, which are infrared motion capture cameras, are looking for those reflective markers in a certain pattern. Then when it sees that, in the computer, we actually take that pattern and match it onto a digital human model. And this digital human model is a human. We use Jack and Jill to help us, and then Jack and Jill's movements now are then controlled by whoever is wearing the suit. And then we can put that person who's wearing the suit into an immersive environment, which means inside the computer design of our cars. And we can then put them in there. They would move like they're really building the car, and we then track the motion, feed it into our human model, and then the human model opens up all the interesting things that we need to look at that we can use as a planning tool and make the right decisions around. We can actually look right into each joint. So we get the stresses and the strains and the strength of what a weak person would be able to do, or a stronger person, and we can use that then to design proper heights, how far someone's allowed to bend, and things like that, which are all really powerful tools for us in the design of the assembly line. In the past, we used to have to wait until we had a physical vehicle. Our operators would be working away, and we would then identify issues, or worse yet, even wait till an injury had happened. By now, bringing the future into our lab, we can look at what the assembly line is going to look like in the future, understand what it'll take to build the vehicle. We actually do virtual builds. And by using that, we can actually prevent the injuries from coming, and we have been able to make the design suggestions early in the design phase when we haven't cut the metal, we haven't issued the parts, we haven't made the parts yet. By using this technology and helping us design our workplace, we have been really blessed to see an improvement in our injury rates coming out of our assembly plants. So we've seen some numbers as great as 80% reduction in our injuries in the area of strains and sprains, and we believe that this is absolutely part of that reduction. Our workers can go home at the end of the day without strain and stress and fatigue. So the factory of earlier years to the factory of today has made some great improvements, and I'm really excited to be part of that.